By now I am sure all are aware how ChatGPT tool works. What it would be to add the ChatGPT tool to a search engine. So let's see how it can be done. First, we need to head to Google's Chrome store to find the ChatGPT extension. And here we need to type and search for ChatGPT for Google. This is the ChatGPT extension we need by searchgpt.net. This ChatGPT extension for Google has been downloaded and used by around 1 million users so far. Now, we need to click and add this ChatGPT extension to Chrome browser. And we are done installing the ChatGPT extension. What this ChatGPT extension does is when we search for any topic in Google Chrome, we get this search response from ChatGPT as well beside the Google search results. This is how you can integrate ChatGPT to your Chrome browser. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we update new content.